Kansas. We're going to stay in the state park, Hillsdale. We stay there a lot. It's going to be just me and Crowley for several days, and then Jesse's going to come up next weekend and spend the rest of the weekend with us. But this is something a little different. Not done this before. We have camp. Well, me and Crowley haven't, but me and Darby did. Camped one night in the tent. But this is the first time I've ever been all by myself with the dog, pulling the trailer, and in a campground. So I don't even know what I'll be showing you this weekend or this week. I don't know if I have a whole lot to show you, but yeah, it may be a lot of me cooking. I don't know. Like I said, we've been to Hillsdale a lot, so we've showed it to you probably on several occasions. But if something cool happens, or when I decide to eat, I'll show it to you. I don't know. And then I'll let you know how it goes, I guess. Let you know if there's any problems or anything. I'm almost there, not too far away. I actually forgot that I wanted to video and let y'all know that it's just me and Crowley for several days. Well, I'll let you know when we get there. Did you get done eating? Whew, I'm here. That's my buddy Jerry's. Well, he's like my brother. That's his truck. He was helping me a little bit. I mean, I know what I'm doing, but hey, I'm pretty proud of myself. Backed in once. Probably could have come back a little bit farther, but luckily our 50 amp cord, or no, it's a 30 amp. We have two 30 amps, but one's longer than the other. So that one stretched plenty. Crowley's dragging his dishes everywhere. Got the gazebo set up. Got my lock on. Got everything out of there and done. And we're good to go. Crowley just had dinner. Camper is cooling down. I started to say the cooler is camping down. No, the camper is cooling down. It is warm. Oh, so we are here, and I think we're about to rest for the evening, and hopefully we'll have something fun to do tomorrow. We'll see. And Crowley's over there eating his lunch. Fan going. It's a little warm in here. Got myself some chicken breast for lunch. He gets done eating. It's not extremely warm. We may go for a little walk. Ran over to the town next to us here and found him some extra pig sticks. He loves those pig skin sticks and pig ears. Keeps him busy when we're sitting in the little gazebo. He acts like he's starving. He always acts like he's starving. Now he's gonna come and want some of mine. Here he comes. Whoa! No, that's Mommy's. It is so hot out, but he has to be walked. He's got to be able to get his exercise and get his potty in and out. He wants to go over and see his little puppy friends that are inside because it's hot. So he's acting like a crazy dog. Oh, this is what I deal with, people. He is so unruly. Very undisciplined. Look, you're all twisted up. See what you did? Oh my. Come on. No, this way. Come on. He is such a handful. It's a little brat. That's editing to do. Got thumbnails to work on. It's kind of a never-ending thing. We had a heck of a storm last night. Tripped my breaker. Some power went out. The outside breaker, not my breaker. The actual pedestal breaker tripped. There was a lot of lightning. A lot of thunder. Don't think there was ever any hail. I just noticed while I was walking Crowley that the lake is slapping pretty good. Oh, and the storm also pulled one of the stakes out of my gazebo and flipped it sideways, because I only had it staked with 2 stakes catty corner from each other. So it just pulled one of them out, flipped it all the way over. Luckily I had taken the chairs and put them in the Jeep. We kind of learned that from one of the last spots we were at. Look at that beautiful lake. Whew, this water's been high at some point. This is muddy. Okay, yeah, that's slapping pretty good out there. I just thought I'd bring this out and show you because it's really pretty. Love the sound. Of course, if I'd have been sleeping over here by this, I might have panicked a little. It's up pretty good, the lake is. All these spots are empty. You can maybe see right there. See that the wind has really got it rippling. It's slapping against the shore. So all these spots are empty, but I think it looked like the tags show that they are filling in. And I found out yesterday, I believe it was, that friends of ours are, which I had no idea, but friends of ours are going to be coming in today, and they're going to be camping right there in that spot while we're right here in this spot. And Jesse does come up today. So me and Crowley won't be camping alone anymore, even though we had a really good time, at least till the power tripped. That's his first ever pig ear. He seems to love it. I don't think it's going to last very long. Just taking Crowley out for a walk. Just kind of wanted to show you how calm the lake is now. It's like barely even rippling now. Just from the slight breeze. Got a little bit of ripple. So funny how much difference it can be within just, I don't know, a couple hours. Getting all packed up, getting all tore down. week is over. Jesse got to spend a couple of days. We got to visit with some friends we hadn't seen in 2 years, which was pretty fun. And then we got to see our friends that we see pretty regularly through the summer. That's always fun. I enjoyed my week vacation. I enjoyed camping with just Crowley. It was kind of fun. Might have to do that again sometime. I don't know. We'll see. You'll have to keep watching and see if I do more solo camping. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.